Good afternoon. Today's your topic is aggregations. Aggregations is also known as containment, and our topic is containment in Java. We have to discuss about the containment. If a class has entity references, it is known as aggregation. Aggregation represents has a relationship. Consider a situation. For example, employee objects contains any information such as ID, name, and the roll number, etc. It contains one more objects, name, address, and which contains its own information such as city name, states, country, and zip codes as it is. These are all there. In such cases, employee has an entity, references, addresses. So relationship is a employee has a relationship as a address like as a then why we can use the aggregations or reusability of the codes. We have to and then we have to see when we have to use the aggregation or containment. Code reuse is also best achievement by the aggregation when there is a is a relationship. Inheritance should be used only if the inheritance is maintained throughout the lifetime of the objects involved. Otherwise, aggregation is the best choice. Understanding we have to about the some of that aggregations. For example, we can take the class address and their data is string, city, state, and country, and we can create the constructor of that class of that variables, then address, then an address and the void display and the display method, and from the main method we can cross the constructor to the UI using the address of the address one object and address 2 object, and we can pass to that pass to the employee object, employee class of that employee object, and we can pass that the address objects to the variables from the constructors, and we can display that we can calling to that method calling to that methods, and we can pass that all the data from this. It will call to the current class data members and the superclass constructors or data members. It will be passed. Means we can without existing the container objects. If there is no chance of existing container objects, then the relationship between the container objects and contain object is also called as composition. We can see the without existing container objects, if there is a chance of existing of contain object, such a type of relationship is called as aggregation. If aggregations objects has weak associations within means, for example, you can take example within a department, there may be a chance of the several professors will work whenever we are closing to the department. Still there are maybe a chance of existing professor objects without existing the department objects. The relationship between the department and the professor, it is also known as is called as aggregation, where the objects having weak associations. And our video topic is complete. Thank you very much.